Unbelievable.
Little small town story. Never do anything else for me. Just do this for me, brother.
Now.
Before they come.
Unbelievable.
Bet they ballin'.
Oh!
What happened?
That car ran a red light right there. That one.
This one? Oh, this
That
one.
one.
Laws that exist in lots of states making access to abortion, for all practical purposes, impossible in those states.
Has Kavanaugh ruled in a case involving abortion?
Really only one, and it was the focus of Senator Durbin's questioning today.
Where's he going?
Oh my God.
Are you serious? Oh my gosh.
Deshalb braucht jemand auch kein Spielzeug übers Boot. So jemand, der gar keinen Parkplatz lassen könnte. Ja. Was ein Idiot! Kalifornien natürlich. Was ein Idiot!
Police oder was mit?
Nee, ich habe ihn auf Kamera.
Hast du auf Kamera?
Ja klar.
I'm on a keto diet. Have a large group of people put on a standard American diet. Let them eat burgers and fries and chocolate shakes and sodas, and let's find out what the put people on a vegan diet. I have had tons of friends, including Sam Harris, who was on a diet. He was trying to figure out how to stay healthy. Like he tried it for a long time, but he felt like shit, and then he went and switched to fish, and he felt like shit just doing that too, and then he went back to meat.
Yeah.
Now he's
I
healthy
think the
again.
answer always seems to come back to being in the middle somewhere, right? Like so far,
Yeah, I'm like,
oh man, we got Doritos and we got cookies and we got all this stuff coming at us every single day, and it's convenient. And then someone will say, okay, no more carbs.